$3.50. That's how you cook it. A bobby pin! Okay, so, while this time is going, I'm going to show you how to peel a banana. Let's get this started. For all people that live outside of the United States, and that don't... Shut up. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how. Yeah. Make sure they're even. What? Yes, I will have enough space for this. This is really, really, really good advice, guys. You need to watch carefully. Don't make fun. We can fit one more row in here. This is all. It's just like a couple over there. I think I got some triplets up in here. Ricky was so cute. Oh, you know what? Not on camera, Marina. Who cares? You know what? Ricky is just ugly. And he is just... Oh, here comes my baby! Come get help! That was a miracle of childbirth. I know. Oh, plan I. Okay, guys, we're gonna speak Russian right now, okay? So, let's go.
Here's our Russian map.
Honestly, my dad's gonna be here before the oven gets heated. He's gonna be back in like 2 hours.
Too ridiculous.
Oh. You've got the perfect. What is this? That was just a great picture, right? Look at that picture. Oh, yeah.
We're so bored. Oh, yeah, I gotta cut off my ribbon real quick. Hold on. Look at it. Oh my gosh! What? My hair! Ooh. Her hair is embarrassing. Let me see what you call. Oh, wait, not that. I think right here. Let me see. Somewhere your bangs. Okay, good. My bangs look like crap anyway. Let's see. Let me take down my bangs and let's see what I did. See the damage I did. Alright, so I'm gonna go again. It's better. Okay. Shake it. Shake it. Her hair. Really big. Shake it. She has crazy hair. Oh, thanks. Look at my hair. Oh, sorry. Oh, she just flushes hair. Okay, let's see. Does it look bad? I can't tell. No, I like it. Yeah. Come on, shake it. Shake it. Come on, shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. My hair is attached to my foot. I have a topic I've always wanted to talk about on camera. What? Oh my gosh, it's really embarrassing. What? Well, I like this one guy, and it seems like he doesn't even notice me at school, and it's so embarrassing. I'm blocking my face right now. Daddy. Just like him. He blocks my face at a I hate him. I love him. No one. Too bad I'm stuck with no one. I'm stuck with no one too. Well, actually, Tyler. Not that bad. But Tyler is just crazy. He makes my head go wow. He makes your head go wow. Maybe a little bit faster.